Hey guys, we just thought with the holidays coming up, Thanksgiving's this week, that we would give you guys our top 10 list of must-have RV items. And it's really great because we use all of these items, and with the holidays in full swing now, a lot of the things are on sale. They got incredible sales on this stuff, so we're just going to rattle off our top 10 things, and we hope that they treat you as well as they've treated us.
Yes, they make great gift ideas if you need to buy something for a full-time RVer. 11-in-1 screwdriver.
Yes, Klein tools make the best tools. This 11-in-1 screwdriver comes in so handy. The bits sit in the handle of the screwdriver, so you can easily change them out. You can buy it on Amazon, which is an absolute plus. You can get it shipped to you wherever you are, and you just can't go wrong with an 11-in-1 screwdriver. I've used it for everything that goes wrong in the RV. Tighten the door, cabinets, anything you can think of, this screwdriver is a must-have. The screwdriver's $15 on Amazon, and it's totally worth it.
Nice. Okay, next on your list, you have your water flow meter.
Oh yeah, you can never be too safe with the RV plumbing system. So if ever you're going to be filling up your or if you're going to be filling up your freshwater tank, get a flow meter that goes by the gallon so you know exactly how much you're putting in there, which the freshwater has an overflow valve, but more importantly, when you're flushing your black tanks or your gray tanks, you want to make sure that you're not getting into any situations where you're overfilling those tanks, because the water can only go one place, and generally it's not going up the vent stack. The tank is going to bust. So get the flow meter. So the flow meter is $21 on Amazon right now. There's so many different kinds. This is the one that we've used. We have other ones, but make sure you get at least two. You want one when you're filling up your freshwater system, and then you want to use a separate one for the black tank because you don't want any cross-contamination there.
Nice, good point on that one. Next on your list is the KingCamp aluminum folding table.
Oh yeah, so this thing is about $100 on Amazon. I really don't ever see it on sale. That's what we paid, about $100, but it is awesome. Moving from the travel trailer to the fifth wheel, we don't have an outdoor kitchen, so I gotta have somewhere to put the Blackstone, and this is a metal table and it rolls, so it's very safe to have the Blackstone on there. If it gets hot, you spill the grease on it, it cleans right up. We use it as a place sitting for the four of us when we eat sometimes, but especially if you don't have an outdoor kitchen, you definitely want this table because you can put all kinds of grills on there and you're safe.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, we've gifted this table to some people because we like it so much. Okay, next on your list, Valterra Flush King.
Oh yeah, Valterra Flush King is a absolute must-have item for an RV. You know, a lot of the times people just use their black tank flush on their RV, which is built into if you have a Nautilus system or something like that. And it works, but it's just tiny little jets inside the tank. They're usually at the low end of the tank, so they're not spraying any of the stuff at the top end of the tank. And you just hook it up. You can hook a hose right up to it. You back flush into your black tank. You can do it on both gray tanks as well, which I do. But it's a great product for that. There's so many people out there that have had the infamous poop pyramids, and you call out an RV tech for $300 to get that clog. And all you need is this Flush King. You just hook it up, you backfill the water. You might have to do it a few times, but we've had clogs several times before, and we use the Flush King, and there you go. For how much is the Flush King?
$36 right now. Yeah.
And it's going to save you a $300 bill when you get a poop pyramid in there for sure. So absolutely must have and get the Flush King.
Nice. All right, next on your list is the Renogy 400-watt portable solar panel suitcases.
Yeah, so the Renogy 400-watt deployable suitcase panels. We actually just bought them, so we'll probably do a review on them. But you talk to anybody in the RV industry, especially if you don't have the solar on your roof and you don't want that big cost. You know, it could cost you $10,000, $20,000 to put a full solar system on your roof. So these things are 400 watts. You can connect several of them if you want in series. You are going to need to get a solar charge controller. We love Victron MPPT solar charge controllers. You have to get one of them installed in your RV. And then you can just take these suitcase panels out, like 40 pounds a piece, and you can put, you know, depending on the size of your solar charge controller, you can put 3, 4, 5 of these suitcase panels on there and have 8, 12, 1600 watts of solar, and you can move them. So it's not like it's just fixed to your roof, and if the sun's setting or just coming up and you're not getting full array, you can move these panels wherever you want to. You can always, all day long, you can face them towards the sun. And the best part about these panels is they're usually anywhere from $500 to $600. And right now on Amazon, they're doing a Black Friday sale. They're $350 for 400 watts. So you're paying less than $1 per watt to have these panels. So, like I said, we just bought them. We haven't even put them out in the wild yet. But we were just with some friends who have them, some other customers we've talked to that have them. They're absolutely a great product to have if you want to get into the boondocking space, but you don't want to spend tens of thousands of dollars on your roof. And they're only $350 right now, so definitely go check them out.
Awesome, I love it. Okay, so to give some items for the kids now that we have purchased, Emma has this wall shelf that she's put in her room, and so she just has her stuff there, her phone, alarm clock, everything. It's worked out really well for her. She really, really likes it. So that's been definitely something really nice to help, in her room with storage and stuff. And currently, right now on Amazon, it is on sale for $19. So I think that's a great deal, $20. That's awesome. Okay, another item that we got this year that we love, we are on a quest to go to every single national park and every single baseball stadium. So we got these scratch off maps that they have, and they're on sale right now on Amazon for $15. I love them. I think it's great. It's really cool to kind of track our progress and see, what parks we have to go to and stuff. So it's really neat. I like it a lot. One more item for the kids that we purchased that I don't know what we would do if we didn't have it is Lego bin that we have. So the kids still play, and the only toy that they actually really play with right now is Legos. And so it's a bin that zips up and it's able, we're able to keep all of the Legos contained, because nothing can be more of a disaster than Lego getting under your slide and scratching your floor. So definitely go check it out on Amazon. It's on sale right now for $39. All right, now we're gonna move to the kitchen. So we have our refrigerator does not have an ice maker, so we have a countertop ice maker, and I think we would just die without it. So I definitely recommend, if you do not want to have one of the fancy refrigerators that makes ice, to get one of them. This one right now is not, it's just normally priced at $69. So it's just the Frigidaire countertop ice maker, and we love it, right?
That's great.
Yes. Okay, and our last item that we're going to talk about today is our air fryer. We use it all the time, breakfast, lunch, dinner, cinnamon rolls in it, everything. We love it so much.
We put a link to the 10 items that we talked about in the video here. We threw a couple of bonus items down there. We just don't want to bore you with all the stuff, but there's so much great stuff out there. So check out our Amazon links below and take advantage of the Black Friday deals, because they're really good right now, especially on those panels.